So guys, I'm done feeding with the pigs. I haven't weighed myself for a very long time. So we'll see how much do I weigh now. One, one, two, three. Ah, I am 51. Another. Ah, 51. Whoa, that's my maintaining weight.
Wala kita ang kantambangan.
Wala nakita ang timbangan?
Kita.
Oh my God! Ay! Shit. Oh my God! Ay! Shit. Good morning, guys! Today will be laundry and the daily chores. So, very fresh morning today. I hope everyone is okay today. I'll show you guys how we do laundry in the Philippines. I know you have a very different machine in your place. You have automatic and we have the manual machine. How does it become manual when it's a machine? But anyway, I'll show you. Charan! Unfortunately, they cut off our power at 5 o'clock today. So I got up like 4:30 because I started this one last night. So this one I'm going to rinse. I already spin it here. So this is our machine. We call it washing machine. So it's just it's just manual. You know. Here you put the soap, the water, and you spin it to take away the dirt. Right? And everything is you have to operate. This is to drain the water, and this is how you want it: the speed, strong, normal, and gentle. This is the timer, and this is what we call as how do we say, spin dry. They don't really dry the clothes 100%, but they take away water. What's left is moisture, so we have to put it under the sunshine. And that's it. After spinning here with the soap, I have to take them out, spin here a little bit to take away all those soap, and then rinse it here in the fresh water 2 times. And then put it back again here in the spin dry, and then put on the clothesline. So normally it takes, depending on the volume of your laundry. So normally it takes, where did it go? It takes like 2-3 hours to finish the entire laundry, depending on how many or how much is your laundry. So I normally do like 2 times a month laundry. And I'm trying to get Randy to bring the generator here so that I can finish it, but he's still waking up. So for the meantime, we're gonna go and finish laundry. Say hi, Molly. This is my assistant for today.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
he's telling me while having coffee, Tita, come, let's go. We're gonna feed the pigs. I said, in a while, I'm still finishing my laundry. My coffee. So let's go. Hi guys. So while working on my daily chores, I will cook banana plantain. This is what we call banana plantain. We can eat this one when it's raw, but it's not sweet. So when it's ripe, it's sweet. So I like it this way. So I'll just cook a few. This is for my breakfast. Maybe the kids want some too. So, there. Hala, where's the cover? Asa ang cover? Ano yung... Put water and... Maybe the cover is in the house. I'm using our firewood stove to save gas, guys. I normally cook stuff over here too. Don't mess with me, guys. This is very sharp. See? This is the best, easy way to create fire. And it's working. Hala, I don't have the cover for this one. It's like a bottom. I have to look for the cover. Okay. There. While doing the laundry and some other stuff, I have my breakfast cooking. Good morning! Showing you the fresh view of our garden. The morning view! Charan! I see some chicken over there picking up the flowers. So we are now going to take care of the angry pigs. Come on, Molly. Let's go, Molly. Where's my assistant? Come here. He wants to help me today. Taking care of the angry pigs. Come on, guys. Let's take care of these angry pigs. I wish everyone is well today. You have to mute the video because of the angry pigs. Hi, guys. I have Molly here, the 4 years old, holding the camera. First, you have to take care of these little ones. Come here. Give me the camera. We have to take care of these little ones over here. They are the 44 years old. 44 days. They're soon to go. I'm going to sell like five of them. I mean 8. Enjoy, guys. So this is what we cooked last night. This is the taro with the rice and salt. We need like 6 scoops of this. Lek, alisa, Lek. Uy, how many? 7. It's okay, ha? Ha? Oh, dali. Okay. We have to mix this one, guys. With... Come here. Come here. So instead of giving these 5 pigs like 5 kilograms of feeds or 4 kilograms of feeds every meal, I only have like 1.5. And nakita ko dira. Atras ato magamay. Mix it. Ay. I want to mix it. This is actually a very tasty meal with the salt. The pigs on the first time didn't like this one, but eventually kind of like it. They don't have a choice. Yeah.
Dalang yun.
Oh, ito na yun. Very good. Dion is here. My cameraman. May another cameraman. Good morning, Yon. Oh, good morning sa atong guys. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Okay. Dali ka rin. Dali makita ang ko ay. Mga piggy. Ito ang sihig. Ang broom, please. Get the broom. The one that tita used over here. Ha? Ito ara di ay. So we have to put feet on the side so that they don't disturb me. Ow! Okay. This is the fastest way to clean him. Ipot ka dali. Look at them, guys. If I have them feeds over there, because that area there is clean. That's where they eat. So I have my freedom to clean here without them bothering me. And I think they're liking their food now. Okay, what's up? Jump another pen. I'm not hurting you guys. My banana is ready. I don't have pot holders here. Ouch. Okay. You just have to put the firewood over here so that they don't keep burning. Like that. And mukhang banana flip. Sure. Everyone loves banana. Look at that. Very yummy. This is our breakfast today. But then later on, I will look for rice.
Uy.
Randy doesn't eat this one. This one. So just us, just me and the kids. And then we're going to harvest our second jackfruit. Hopefully that one is a good one.
Oh.
There. Charan!
Hi.
Hi. Our banana. That's my first customer for the day. Very hot? You have to get a fork. Naghay na kas guys. Pagali ka ng bati. Na good morning guys.
Morning.
Guys. Wow, I have a new bloom orchid. Hi guys. We are going to harvest our second jackfruit today. And I'll show you how we clean our machete. There. This is not a good bearing banana tree. We just, I need leaves. Let's go. Pause it. Agos ako upuan dito. So we don't use this. Yeah. We'll see guys if this one is good. Otherwise, if this is not still good to ripe, this will be just, this jackfruit tree will be just for vegetable. You know, because we cook this one as vegetable too. Oh my god! Ay! Shit! It was very heavy. Oh my goodness! This is like 30 kilograms. Ah! I hope I didn't hurt the flower much. Sorry. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Ay. Still not good, I guess.
Balik ka.
See. They're not good. I thought they don't have see that there's still a bug infection over there. So this is not good guys. Look at this. Oh! Oh. This is supposed to be yellow. Dark yellow. It's a little bit sweet. But the quality of this one is not really for it's ripe. Huh? Sige, pagkuhan to. Basta lang. They have a lot of small pulp. A good variety to get ripe is the one that has a bigger pulp and thicker and bigger. So this one is B. Abi, give me the pipe. But this can be eaten still. So the good one is must have a bigger pulp. Mm. But this is sweet. Only that he doesn't have bigger and thicker. I don't know, guys. Maybe because this is not an original trunk. When it grows, when like 10 years ago, when I came here, it was already a small tree, and I keep cutting it because I was thinking it's not good to have a jackfruit tree on the ground, especially these roots is big, can go underneath the house. So I decided to. I actually cut the original trunk of this one two times, and then it still keeps growing. It still grow. So at the third time, it grow another trunk. I just let it. So this is him now. I don't know if that's the reason or that's really because this is just a native jackfruit. But this is sweet. Okay na. This one as a vegetable. Ipakuha na lang na og kisay mo kaon pat ha. So next time, next season, I will just use this one as a vegetable. I will make a video of that too, guys. How to make a vegetable. We basically grew up from this when we were kids. I guess this is the first vegetable I learned to cook. You just get
It's not
out
really
the...
a vegetable, is it? It's a fruit.
Yeah, it's a fruit, but it has a double purpose. It's either vegetable or fruit. Take
Yeah.
away the seeds inside. This is, yeah. I like it because it's crunchy a little bit.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining
I
me
like it a little
in my laundry and my adventure with the pigs, with the jackfruit. Have a very, 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 very blessed day, everyone. And thank you for your continued love and support to our channel. See you in the next vlog. God bless you and have a wonderful evening and night. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Randy's enjoying the jackfruit here now, but he's not smiling.